Hello and welcome to Speak Up in Chinese, Lesson 1. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to give your name or to ask somebody else for their name or to ask for somebody else's name. Either way, we're getting a name. Okay? So enjoy this video and remember to repeat what you hear. And don't be afraid to use the pause and rewind buttons just in case you want to repeat something you didn't quite hear right. Okay? Here, let's go. Okay, the first thing we're going to look at is the word sheng. Sheng. As you can tell, it has that falling tone. Sheng. And this would be last name or your surname. Sheng. So my sheng would be Young. Okay, and what is your sheng? Now, if I wanted to say to you that my last name is Young, then I would say 我姓. 我姓. So 我姓 Young. Okay, 我姓 Young. Now, if I wanted to say what your last name was, I would use 你姓. 你姓. And if I wanted to say his or her last name, I would say 他姓. 他姓. So, now here we have some Chinese last names. The first one is xie. Xie. It means to thank, basically. Xie. If somebody was going to say my last name is xie, it'd be 我姓xie. 我姓xie. Now another one is Wang. Wang. Let's say his last name is Wang. 他姓王. 他姓王. What if I asked you, what is your last name? Well, we'd have to use the word for what in Chinese, which is shanma. Shanma. Notice the rising tone on the first syllable, shan, and then the neutral tone on ma. Shanma. So if I wanted to ask you, what is your last name? 你姓shanma. 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 Or what is his last name? 他姓shanma. Now, if you want to know the person's full name, you would use the word jiao. Jiao. My full name is Sean Young. So, 我叫 Sean Young. 我叫 Sean Young. His full name, let's say John Hoffman, for example. So his full name is 他叫 John Hoffman. Or you could say for a woman, 她叫 Jane Doe. 她叫 Jane Doe. And if you want to know what their full name is, then you would ask, 她叫什么? 她叫什么? Or I can ask you, 你叫什么? 你叫什么? So, what did you think? Was it easy enough to understand? You were able to learn how to say these things, giving your name, asking for a name? Well, if you'd like, you can download this lesson on this chart here and make it easier for offline review and learning whenever you need to. And also, I would like to ask for you to do for homework is to record yourself saying these things in Chinese. Ask somebody for their name. Give your own name, either your last name or your full name. Okay? And send me the recording, and I will let you know how well you did. I'm pretty sure you do great. Okay? So We'll see you in the next lesson.